It definitely had to have been deliberately knocked over. There we go. We've got some claw marks right here. Claw marks here. That is just so unfortunate because there's so much larvae in these frames. Get you girls back in here and we'll take a look at these frames. I think we're gonna have to clear some of you out. Oh man, it's just so tough. I know. We're gonna have to look for the queen again, girls. This is the problem with this. I've never had a situation where the hive got destroyed like this. So I'm kind of at a loss what to do other than just pick it up and see where we go.